This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 310 MKTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 1 inch in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, refrigerator, DVD player, awning, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 310 MKTS is 9,516 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.